Hi, welcome to the video. Gonna be playing Fortnite once I get this to work. Okay. There we go. Now I just need to close these. There. And there. Now, bam. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm gonna be Drift. Really, Jonah? Okay, so Battle Royale. Let's bring it over here. Cover up those V-Bucks. That's pretty bad. Hey, who's all on? Go send a friend with crest subject 06. Okay, a whole bunch of friends. Just put it down there. And Locker. Wingman. Okay. I'm gonna kill myself and go to Tilted. I'm Wingman. But I want to mess around. I don't know. I'm gonna put it. I want to be able to see the map, so where should I put it? I'll just put it. Okay. There we go.
Do they have use for this house? Do they have use for Tilted?
That's not a used gun.
I'll turn on speakers. Okay, I will. I'll turn it down.
It says used model. Yeah.
Welcome to the stream. Not live streaming. I'm going Tilted with X the Polar. If you're watching, I'm giving you a shout out.
Because
subscribe.
If you want to know the craziness that they've done, like hippies have done, it makes no sense. The people that don't know anything about guns make these gun laws after there's a mass shooting, and it means the same gun that's legal this way. If almost every AR rifle, which people think stands for assault rifle, but really it actually stands for Armalite. Mason. If you put pistol grip, it takes 2 seconds to screw on.
Who's that? Oh no, I'm being cleared.
Put you in jail for 20 years and you'll never be allowed to own a gun again. But if you put that same pistol grip on a different gun that looks exactly the same, it's even crazier.
They have to be low health.
Same gun, and you change one thing, it's a federal violation. But
now you can see my guns.
It's just so insane all the rules they've done to try and make things safer, where the criminal doesn't care if it's legal or illegal. You know? And they don't use assault rifles.
Judah Bearcat? Don't know him. I think I sent this guy a friend request. It's really just over there. That's Judah Bearcat.
So the reason it's like that is it's probably to keep people safe, so people won't get shot. But you can, if I saw the barrel off of the shotgun, now it's a sawed-off shotgun, it's a felony. But it's proper, oh my God, find this, it's going to come out. Maybe I go and look what I've done. But if I saw the barrel off of it and the wooden stock off of it, now it's okay. It's not soft, but
Shotgun.
Yeah, there's plenty of shotgun pistols.
I don't know where you guys
It's
were.
not just one thing.
You're just
So,
Sawed-off shotgun with a piece of grip. Not a sawed-off shotgun. A sawed-off shotgun with a forearm grip. That's a sawed-off shotgun. Depends on the grip as to whether or not it's selling. Same rifle. Same gun. How long is the stock? The stock is the barrel short. The stock is short. It's the barrel short and the stock is long. The stock is long.
that stock is short and marathon. That's not okay either.
No,
Wait,
it is. It is. You can have a short stock and a long barrel.
Oh, that's why I was saying pistol grip.
Yeah. Yeah, they're more complicated than that. It's just crazy.
That's gonna try and find out what it's not working.
Yeah, the mouse.
right over there.
Elijah, where's the mouse that goes with your laptop?
What's up, moments?
Bring that right next time because I took the USB out of it.
See what Judah picked.
Terrible at searching.
Just change that in your settings.
Someone,
Here. Settings.
it's like right over here. He could have gone to Tilted with me.
Wait, that's this.
It's over here. I was over here.
There.
I'm gonna go Dusty.
Okay.
I usually get a lot of kills.
Uh,
Sometimes I just get killed.
the default or search engine, yeah. So,
I'll join Split.
do you want to open new base tab on it, or do you want to open the grab?
I do try.
Just go to like this.
Right armor.
You would that's kind of all on that with the flower on it. But it is
He's not gonna. He's gonna try solos.
Okay, die. That's what I'm outside. I don't say I killed you.
Okay, Roby, stay in this spot.
I went for a shot. Can't find it.
Interesting.
What?
Whoa. Yeah, I need to get that. Okay.
Maybe I need to make it
Oh,
way
that's
less.
cool. I never really need to do that. I'll put it back down.
yeah, it's not bad.
No, it just stays in that corner.
But it there's not a lot of places that list guns online. Gunbroker.com is the main one. That go to like Dick's Sporting Goods, Navy, Cabela's, that's what shops, Walmart.
I feel like Walmart would be cheaper because it's not
Yeah,
like expensive.
right. But like I just tried to find 870, which is the most popular shotgun in
Oh,
America, I think. And
it's kind of weird with all the people jumping at gunning. I know that they're trying to get loot and stuff, but
I'm pretty sure I got you.
I guess it does give you more time to get out.
Pretty sure they have the 22
Yeah.
online.
Got me down. I always kill a drift here, or I get killed by a drift, or I get killed by a car ride. I don't see anybody. Oh, there's a guy above me. There's not. Oh, that's good. I saw a guy over there. Let's go. Oh, I saw him. I think he's over there.
Oh shoot, can I get him? I know how to say. You know, let's go shoot the phone.
Where's
No! Judah, it's a snipe. Judah,
Ah, he's coming.
No, Judah, I can hit him. You missed.
Enforcer?
You missed too. Judah, I can hit him. Judah, I can hit him. I know how to hit him. We'll show you.
Yeah.
Don't go outside
No.
the door. Where? He's behind that tree, right? Ooh, I was bad. I think I'm bad.
In the next video, tell me where I should land. Let's do the random skin challenge, even though I don't even have that much skins. I'll just do like a mini one. Wait, what do I have the most of? Backpacks? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Oh! That snipe!
I'll just do. If I get a default, wait, what is this?
You killed me! I got a kill for you though. No, they're gonna kill that.
Where is
Stay right there and
else?
you'll get killed.
It's purple besides the carbide. So if I get carbide, I'm gonna die.
Unless that was their teammate. I think they were.
I did like
I got it.
did
Why
what
don't
you
you guys
say.
see how many kills and how much time is left and see your guns? Make this bigger?
Deer! I got deer! I got deer!
Okay,
I got deer!
I'm gonna stop the stream at 20 minutes. I'll go to Dusty? Is that what I said? Yeah. Oh, I got a wingman. That's purple. At least it's better than carbide. That crispy shit!
Get up.
Crispy snake! What are you watching today? I'm gonna abandon my teammates and I'm going to Tilted since I already skipped the whole gun. It's a launch pad. No! No! Okay, good. I'm going to here. I'm getting shot. It's pressed.